How to see your login activity on Yahoo Mail. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your login activity on Yahoo. To check your Yahoo login activity, first of all you'll need to open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in yahoo.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while you will be taken to the official website of Yahoo. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, click on this envelope icon at the top right and this will take you to the mail section. Here now you will need to move your cursor to your profile icon at the top right and from this menu, here you will need to select account info. Click on account info. Now you will be taken to a new page. In this page here you will be able to see various options at the top. From here you will need to click on recent activity. Click on it. And by doing so, here you will be presented with your recent login activity. You may also click on View Recent Activities option at the bottom to review all the recent logins, which includes details like location and browser used. If you notice any suspicious activity, you may also click on these three dots at the right side and then click on this Sign Out in order to sign out from this device. Also, you can click on this See Details option. And from here you will be able to see the change your password option. You can simply change your password immediately to secure your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to check your Yahoo login activity. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.